How devastating is the illegal wildlife trade globally? Imagine a world where species vanish before we even get to know them. That's the reality caused by the illegal wildlife trade, a hidden crisis affecting ecosystems everywhere. Every year, billions of dollars are made from smuggling wild animals and plants. This trade involves stealing animals from their natural homes and selling them illegally for pets, medicine, luxury items, or food. It is the fourth largest illegal activity worldwide, right after drugs, weapons, and human trafficking. Many animals targeted by this trade are already at risk. Poachers hunt elephants for their ivory tusks, which can fetch thousands of dollars per set. Rhinos are killed for their horns, often worth more than gold on the black market. Some birds and reptiles are captured for exotic pets, with some species losing up to 70% of their wild populations each year because of illegal collection. These numbers show how quickly species can decline when overexploited. Overexploitation means taking more animals or plants than nature can replace. When illegal hunters remove animals faster than they can reproduce, populations shrink and sometimes disappear entirely. This disrupts the balance of ecosystems, which rely on a variety of species to stay healthy. For example, when predators like big cats or wolves are overhunted, prey populations can grow unchecked, causing damage to plant life and other animals. The scale of illegal wildlife trade is huge and constantly changing. Criminal networks use online platforms and maritime routes to move animals across borders. Authorities find it difficult to track and stop these shipments because traffickers often hide their goods in cargo containers or beneath the decks of ships. Recent monitoring shows hotspots in regions like South America, Africa, and Southeast Asia, where demand remains high. This illegal trade also hurts local communities. It undermines legal wildlife businesses that support sustainable livelihoods. It fuels organized crime and corruption, making it harder for governments to enforce laws. When animals are taken from their habitats, ecosystems lose their ability to provide services like clean water, climate regulation, and disease control. This affects everyone, not just wildlife. Efforts to fight illegal wildlife trade include international agreements like the Convention on International Trade in Endangered Species of Wild Animals and Plants, which sets rules for legal trade. Countries also work together through law enforcement and conservation programs. Despite these efforts, the trade persists because it adapts quickly and remains highly profitable. In the end, illegal wildlife trade causes widespread harm. It speeds up species loss, damages ecosystems, and feeds criminal networks. Protecting biodiversity means stopping this illegal activity and making sure wild animals and plants are safe for future generations. Understanding how this trade works helps us see why it's so damaging and what we can do to help.